In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. We're going to be analyzing the price, giving it a technical analysis, and essentially be seeing where the price is heading. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Dogelon Mars, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, as you can see on CoinMarketCap, let me refresh the page. Dogelon Mars is currently up 5.11%. It's looking good. As you can see on the daily, we've been overall bullish. It's all green. It's looking good. You can see a little accumulation phase did occur, and then we made a new high. But if we check on the weekly, we can see that it's overall bearish. The lines they're not bullish, so it pretty much means that we're in bearish territory. But hopefully we can retrace back from the huge Bitcoin drop that did occur a few weeks ago, or even like a week or so ago. But if we check on the monthly, we can also see that Dogelon is currently very bearish at the moment, but it looks like we're starting to retrace back. As you can see, we have now taken over this high. Let me just zoom in a bit. So as you can see, we've had a break of structure. So yeah, hopefully this little ascending triangle, we could possibly get impulse up towards upside. Let's quickly check on the 3 months. We'll check into this more in depth due to on trading views. So yeah, you can see it's overall been bearish, but if the yearly's been bullish. So yeah, that's what we like to see. More long term, not short term. So as you can see, if we go on the market, we can see that the overall market is up 4.28% over the last day. As well as that, the global crypto market cap is 1.7 trillion. Hopefully we can reach back up to 2 trillion, and Bitcoin is trading around 37k, 37.6 to be exact. Ethereum 2.5. But it's looking good on the daily. We can see in the 24 hours, we can see Bitcoin up 5.26, Ethereum up 6.7. So yeah, it looking good. You can see Luna is currently down, so hopefully we can retrace back from this. But if we check on trading view, we can see that pretty much analyzed on the daily. We can see that we did respect this this zone, this bullish, this supply, this pretty much demand zone, pretty much very strong support area. But if we drop down to the 4 hour, we'll look into it more in depth. So as you can see, we did have a break of structure. Let me just quickly drop this down here. Yeah, we did have a break of structure upon this region, so let's put a break of structure upon there, and then let me draw another, and then we did break this structure again, pretty much making a new higher high. So yeah, that's what we like to see. So we're in an uptrend, as you can see, but hopefully we can reach above this region. Once we hit this region, it will be pretty much more confluences upon being bullish. So if we get the highlighter, you can see a low, a high, essentially a higher low, and then a higher high from this one, and then we've pretty much been in a triangle. But my main concern, I would mostly say that these are complex pullbacks, as originally this is what these two is what initially pushed price down. So it just depends on how you look at it in the market. But in my opinion, in order for this to be, or to have a change in character, I would essentially be looking for either this region to be taken out or this region to be taken out in order for it to be considered as a new change in character, change in momentum, essentially what you want to call it. But if we check on the out, but as you can see on the, you can see a little triangle occurring. If you trade the triangles, then you can see here, yep, that's that little triangle occurring from this point to this point. So hopefully we'll see what happens with this. If it breaks out, like this, a bang up, back down, up there, or if it drops down, makes a new lower low. We just have to wait and see what happens. But overall, this is what I'm seeing, in my opinion. But let's quickly look at Bitcoin and how Bitcoin is looking very bullish, in my opinion. You can see that we did essentially break this part. Hopefully we can have a breach above this region. So we're still in a continuous uptrend, but it just depends on how Bitcoin is. As you know, Bitcoin is very volatile, and you know the Fed likes to destroy Bitcoin. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see what occurs. But looking at that, you can see on Elon, it's looking okay actually. Nothing major. Hopefully we can have the potential uptrend. Hopefully we can have a 100x soon coming, and essentially being analyzing the price. There's still this liquidity upon here as well that still needs to be taken out. It just depends on how long it takes and what is going on. But if we quickly check on the Twitter page on Dogelon, you can see that we're close to 600,000 followers on Twitter, which is major stuff. That's crazy. That's a crazy amount. So yeah, you can see on the Twitter page, you'll be seeing people just being posting memes about panic sellers selling and that. And Dogelon did, if the run of Yulvika has taught us anything, it is that a planet run by physics, fungus may be efficient, but a culture void of individuality will see its growth plateau indefinitely. So yeah, it's pretty much just tweeting about it, nothing major occurring. We're still waiting on the Binance and Coinbase listing, but once those two occur, then I definitely feel like this price will be crazy. It will definitely go exponential, in my opinion. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Peace.